Hi, in today's video we're going to be looking at a Moodle course and how to change the completion settings for activities and resources in that course. Now we're working inside a standard Moodle site with the Move theme and the Tiles course format, which is why it looks the way it does. Inside each one of these tiles, which in Moodle terms is a topic, we have one or more articles. This one's just got one article in here and one article in here. We keep it nice and simple. And we want to make it so that the users, when they've looked at something, they can tick a box that says, yep, I've done that one. So they've got an idea of how far they've got through the course or which resources they've looked at. So what we need to do first of all is check to see whether the course is set up with completion settings switched on. Now this one isn't, because I haven't got anything in this menu that says anything about completion. So I'm going to go to Edit Settings, scroll down to the bottom, go to Completion Tracking and Enable Completion Tracking. Then we save it. And now when we go to the menu, we'll have course completion. Now we can go to each resource and each activity independently and set the course complete or the activity completion for each one. We're going to do it in bulk. So we go to Edit Completion Settings and Bulk Edit Activity Completion. And I'm going to select all the activities in this course and edit. Now we have a number of options here. We can have it so that the activity is complete when certain conditions are met. We don't want anything as sophisticated as that. We just want it so that students can manually mark the activity as completed. So switch that on, save the changes, check to see that that's what you expected. They've both got manual switched on, and then we can go back to the course and we'll look at it, and what you see is over here on the right hand side we have a tick box that the learner can toggle on or toggle off, and that's it.